Hey salam, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time we're making chicken sandwich. Not any chicken sandwich. This sandwich is gonna be super cheesy. One of the best chicken sandwich that you're gonna try. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Let's start with the simple seasoning. Garlic, paprika, ground black pepper, cayenne or red chili powder, just a little touch of MSG, and salt. Give that a really good mix and set that to a side. Grab a bowl and add in your chicken thighs. You could also use chicken breast. Add around 2 teaspoons of that seasoning that we made. You don't want to add it too much, yeah? Add a tablespoon of distilled vinegar and give this a really good mix. Now what you can do is after your mixes, you can let it marinate for a few hours. Set that to a side. For the sauce, add in the milk, and you want to bring it to simmer. Now when the milk has started to simmer, you just want to add in your cheese. This is American cheese, you could also use cheddar. Give that a really good mix and melt all that cheese. Season with black pepper and a good touch of salt. Mix again and let this cook until it gets nice and thick. Keep stirring it. Once nice and thick, just turn off the heat. Grab your skillet and turn the heat to medium. Add a good touch of oil. Add in the chicken. Want to get a nice sear on both sides. Once nicely seared, flip to the other side. Alright, so it is nicely seared from this side as well. Now throw in some of the onions, peppers, some of the jalapenos, some of the seasoning, and chop up this. Cook this until done. It smells amazing. Toast your bread while cooking your chicken. Grab your toasted bread and add a touch of mayonnaise. Add your chicken on the side. Some of the lettuce. Tomatoes if you like. And you can add a bit more jalapenos if you like. Bismillah, let's cut this. Oh, look at that. Serving it with our beautiful cheese sauce. Now if you like, you can cook up your chicken, melt the cheese on the top, and then serve it on a burger bun. Some of the mayonnaise, some of our beautiful lettuce, tomato if you like. Adding the beautiful cheese and chicken on the top. Drizzle of some of that cheese sauce. And top of the bun. Beautiful. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It looks mouth-watering. You gotta try this. Super easy to make. Gonna take you a few minutes. Just have a look at that. Bismillah. Let's dig in. Wow. So delicious. I forgot to get some napkins. I should call this a dirty chicken sandwich. Those beautiful onions, peppers and jalapenos. goes very well together with this cheese. Listen, before you eat this sandwich, make sure to grab some of the napkins. You will really need it. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and do like this video as well. It will really help me a lot. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like. Inshallah, I'll see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.